you have an electric car in a house with a photovoltaic system? Then the NRGkick is exactly the right solution to use the surplus electricity you produce with a lot of sunlight to simply charge your electric car without any additional hardware. We'll show you how it works.
Do you already have an NRGkick? Well, then you can now download the software package for the photovoltaic system. Get it for your NRGkick, either in the NRGkick webshop, or even easier, directly in the NRGkick app under the Extended menu. There, tap on Get License, and you'll be automatically redirected to the webshop. Number will be taken care of, and you just need to complete the purchase. Once the license is activated, you will see the new PV-guided charging feature, and you can already start setting it up. We'll explain how that works in the next video. Oh right, maybe you don't have an NRGkick yet. No problem. Of course, your new NRGkick is also available directly in connection with the smart service for charging photovoltaic system. Simply put together the hardware, like our mobile charging unit, and the appropriate software according to your individual needs. And when the flexible wall box arrives, PV-led charging is already integrated into your charging unit. And after you've connected the NRGkick app with the charging unit, it will also be visible in the app.